Let's talk about electrician pay in Argentina. On average, an electrician in Argentina earns around 10,700 US dollars a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that drops to $8,900, which leaves you with roughly $742 per month in take-home pay. While average electrician pay is lower across rural areas, it goes up in big cities. So an electrician income in Buenos Aires brings home about $10,500 after tax. Even though cities pay more, higher living costs often erase that extra cash, which is why your actual savings might stay about the same. Starting electrician wages sit well below this level, but you'll see earnings rise quickly during your first few years before they plateau without a promotion. Because of that, getting a university degree makes a huge difference, and it opens up higher paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, small local firms pay the lowest rates, while multinational companies offer substantially higher packages for the same work. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Argentina, these factors explain the main differences.